I really don't want to go to science school, but whatever. I hope DJ's up because I hate when he's sleeping. He always wakes up late. Who is it going to be? Miss Ogilvy? Mr. Ogilvy? I wonder what we're going to learn today. Anyway, what do we learn? I don't know. Well, I'm done. I hope he stays up. DJ, get up, get up. We have to go. DJ, you're always late. DJ, wake up. DJ. DJ, you know she's gonna give us the F. Wake up. Come on. Come. Let's come on. Where? We have to go to school.
Do we have to go?
Yes, we have to go.
I don't want to go.
I know, but come on, let's go.
Please, I'm not going. I'm
Come
tired.
on, DJ.
Yeah, I can't do these stuff right now. I have to take a bath. Brush my teeth, put on lotion, wash my face.
Just wash your face and brush your teeth. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Oh, you just leave. You don't have to go.
Yes, we do. Come on.
No, we don't.
Come on, DJ, let's go. DJ, come on. She's gonna give us an F. Let's go. DJ, come on, let's go. DJ.
But how am I gonna go like?
Just wash your face and brush your teeth. Come on, I'm ready. Come on, let's go.
Fine.
DJ, come on, come on.
Fine.
DJ, you're gonna get us in so much trouble because we're already late. If she sees us, she's gonna give us F's like F's. DJ,
I just want to go to sleep.
come on. Come on, DJ.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
It's so early in the morning.
DJ, we're so late. We're gonna get in so much trouble.
Hey, I'm super excited about today. I have a great session planned for our kids. Hopefully they'll be on time. It's almost time for class to start. So let's welcome them in. Today we will be doing some math. Alright? So just waiting on them. They're usually here on time. Their backpacks and stuff are already here. Oh my gosh. Miss Ogilvy, you doing this to me again. You making me come to class and I already know it's gonna be a bad day now. 'Cause they're not even here yet. They're supposed to be here now. Where are you guys? Where's the whole class? It's been an hour and they're not here yet. Wait a second. Do you guys know how late you are?
Yes, I'm sorry. Well, actually, I'm sorry. DJ.
Guys, it's an hour late.
DJ woke up late, and I had to drag him out of bed, but he wouldn't wake up.
So you guys don't set alarm clocks?
We do, but
What?
we just sleep through them.
You guys cannot be late to my class. Do you understand that?
Yes. Yes. Look at my.
I've been waiting for an hour. Okay? Who farted?
Oh, Val, you can stop talking.
Oh my You guys are late. I had a special day planned for you guys. I had a fun day to go over math, and you guys are late. What am I supposed to do with that?
Math.
I'm usually not this upset, but you guys are driving me crazy. Okay, give me the paper. Right there, write your name. Get another paper and write your name, okay? We got to do this test really quick. I don't care if you get an F or not, okay? First question is 5 times 5.
I didn't even write my name.
You guys, you have to write. Look, since you guys are late, my chalkboard is falling over. It's not funny, you guys. Everything is a disaster. When you come late to class, everything falls apart. You know what? I gotta make a call, okay? I'm gonna make a call. I'm gonna see how we can resolve this.
His breath was sticky. It smells so bad, and I never saw him get that mad.
Yeah, why was he so mad? He was so nice. He sucks.
Yeah, he's making me not like him.
Yeah. Where is he? I got the answer. Come on.
Yeah.
He's so boring. I wish I never came today.
See, I told you. I told you I
Where
didn't
is
come.
he?
I told you I didn't
Stop
come
copying me.
today.
You can't.
Okay,
Oh.
guys, I'm back now, okay?
Okay,
Okay, I'm a little bit more relaxed, but guys, you cannot be late to class.
okay.
Okay, do you guys have the answer?
Yes.
Raise your hand. What was it again? Tell me, is it JD? JD?
No, but DJ,
DJ. What's the answer?
25.
25. 5 times 5 is 25.
Nicole!
Okay. Yo-Yo, this next question is for you.
It's Yaya.
No, I didn't even write the question yet. Okay? Alright, so let's do 4 times 6. Okay. Yo-Yo?
It's Yaya.
No, it's 4 times 6. Okay? If you wasn't late, you will understand that.
Oh.
So what is the answer?
24.
24.
No, my name is Yaya, not 4 times 6.
What are you talking about? Okay, the answer is 24, okay, Yo-Yo?
It's Yaya.
It's 24. Okay, if you want to do spelling test, that'll be a different day, but you have to show up on time.
No, my name is Yaya.
We didn't even take attendance because you guys are so late. Okay. Okay. Alright. So, we have DJ. Okay. So DJ is here. Tardy. And you said yo-yo,
Yaya.
yay-yay.
Yaya.
Yaya, yay-yay. Which
Yaya.
one? Yaya. Very tardy.
Very.
And who woke up late again? Was it you?
It was him.
Okay, so you get the F.
I wake up pretty early.
And you get the F too, because you guys came at the same time, so I don't know who to believe. Okay, so let's finish with this math test. Oh, you guys spilled my markers all on the floor.
I didn't even go over there.
Okay, DJ.
Yay,
Since you
got
talking out of turn, let's do 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals
3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 6.
No, it's only 3 threes. How many threes are you writing, son?
3.
See, if you wasn't late, you would understand the
9.
concept of what's going on.
9.
9? Okay. Let's see. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus another 3 is 9. Whoa. Who did that? You know what? I'm not playing today. I'm already upset. I already called the principal and let them know that you guys were late. So who is throwing the paper?
I don't know.
You guys want to throw papers? Let's throw papers, okay? Let's throw papers. Since you want to be late, let's throw papers, okay? That's what you want to do? That's what you want to do? We're going to the principal office. Let's go, right now, right now. Principal office, let's go, baby. Let's go. Yaya, let's go. Let's go. I am not playing, okay?